is December 1st. It's the first of the month, day after Cyber Monday. The stock market yesterday was pretty well. Currently, it's up 300 and I think 45%. Let me get the exact number. Trading at 9%. The market is currently up 345 points. And also, oil and gold is also up today. Forgot to put that in the post. First of all, I am not giving anyone financial advice. I'm just showing you how I trade and telling you what I do and what may or may not help me. However, learn from my mistakes and errors, because there will be mistakes for sure, and errors as well. But you find something good and useful for yourself, go ahead and try it. Again, I'm not telling anybody what to do with their hard-earned money. No advice here, just showing you how I trade. So this morning, I put in the group my current watch list, but I forgot somehow to look up the price of oil and gold. So I'm going to edit it, because I forgot. And I'm going to edit this post. And I'm going to tell you guys that gold and oil are up. So also this morning, Tesla has announced that it's going to be on the S&P 500 starting December 18th. So look forward to that. It's moving the market pretty well. The problem we may have with Tesla stock is the fact that people may be buying and selling, day trading it. But at the end of the cycle on the 18th, ETFs already said they're gonna buy that stock regardless of what the price is. So hopefully it runs up, right? Maybe $600 was already there. $700, hopefully maybe $800 before the ETF curve. They promised to buy, I think, something like $36 billion worth of shares. So it's gonna move Tesla stock tremendously. But meanwhile, I'm gonna put it up right here on one of these charts. Not trading this one, so for sure. So let me put Tesla right here. So today, Tesla is up pre-market. Yesterday it closed here, moved after hours, and it's currently, so we at $600 almost. It's gonna pop that 597.59. Next stop, $600, which is perfect. Yesterday at 607.80 was the high. Oh, time on deck is 9:28 and 18 seconds. Market opens in 1 minute and 38 seconds now. And I don't see anything worth buying right now. Tesla already have a bunch of that in my long-term account, so not studying that. Hexo is failing horribly. EARS is parallel. Or you want to call it consolidating right now. With a little bit of news, right? So look back here. It bounced up on the news and then dropped back. Careful. The float is not as large as well. And also we have over here MBRX, who has like I think a 9 million share float. So I'm currently trying to see what it's going to do. But my first buy, if I buy anything, is going to be MBRX. However, I'm looking at it and it's dumping the whole time pre-market. So if you bought it back here on the first green candle to make a new high, you would have gained about only not 8 cents. This is why I don't trade stocks close to $1. I like to be around a $1.50, $2 mark because it moves more, in my opinion. And the faster it moves, the faster I get out of it. However, the stock this morning had news on it. You look here, if it want to come up, won't pop up. There we go. FDA approval this morning, so that's news on it. Because the company says it has news, which right here, does not mean it's going to automatically run up. It may run that first candle, then it may pull back 50% like this just did. And the buy-in point would be right about here. We got 2 seconds. Let's see what happens right here. Current high today is JAGX. Let me go to JAGX for a minute. I'm going to type it in because I don't trust these candles. Cheap stock. If you're going to buy it, your buy-in point is around 59 cents. That's going to get rid of that. I'm not trading no JAGX. Let me get rid of JAGX. Too cheap. I said a minute ago, I don't like stock that's cheap. So, MBRX. Next leading gapper. You see it here. Buying point right here. Let's see what happens. Check my auto send. Make sure we good. Too slow. CRBP. Why is Thinkorswim going slow this morning? Slowing me down. Come on, CRBP. God dang it, Thinkorswim. You suck. CRBP. About to reverse right here. But it's moving way too slow. So I'll make alert right here to let me know when past that point. At or above, create. Ears. Crappy, right? I called it out. It was doing okay for a minute. Then it dumped. By that, I create alert. BB is straight pulled back. MBRX still doing nothing. Moving way too daggone slow. I drew 2 lines this morning. A small little channel. Now you look up here, you'll see that this daggone candle right here is below the EMA. So TTNP, I don't like it. Someone been talking about stock for about maybe, I don't know, 2 or 3 weeks. You see here why you don't buy stocks that cheap, right? It reverse split. Now what? Meaning shares you had has been decreased a whole lot. This is why you don't buy sub $1 stocks unless you just know what the hell you're doing. And it's also why you don't tell other folks to buy something like that, because it's a crappy stock. I said many times I don't like that stock, and I have not traded it because I don't like it. So it's my personal opinion. You know, you agree with it, you do. You don't, you don't. It doesn't matter. I'm letting you know it's a crappy stock. So that's it. What BB at? I don't have it over here, do I? Thought I did. Reverse split stocks usually run up at the market opening, then they fail. It happens almost all the freaking time. But you know, what do I know? I'm in BB in my large account at 8.15. I'm in AMCI, which I don't see on here on my list. In my large account at, I'll tell you in a minute. I'm in AMCI at 12.83. Current price is, I'm not sure. Not even on the scanner. Okay. Putting my sell order in right now, like 13.15. No, we're not. We're going 13.25 AMCI. Let me find it again. It sucks. See, they're going to move right there, the EMA. I'm going to put over in the group. Watch MBRX to break that EMA. There it is. You can buy here if you choose, or you can hold off. I'm going to buy it for a second for a quick run up. See what happens. Again, I hate buying cheap stocks. They suck. When you look down here, it's rolling around a 40 mark. It bullish up, right? Look down here. It's freaking burgundy, right? It popped the EMA. Before it didn't do that. It fell. Maybe this time it blow through EMA and test this point here at 132. I put in the group, you guys. Watch it break this EMA. You saw it on video. I put it in the group. Hopefully you bought it and got a couple dollars off it. If I see it failing, I'm going to hop out of it. Secondly, the gap on the day. I want to get it to 11 cents. All I want 12 cents. So I need 29. 29 and 30. You look up here, you see that this line is drawn at 132. You want a green candle right here. Heavy volume, green candle, high float. Don't like it. However, it's the only one I can look at to buy this day. You look down here. It wants to go up. It's curved. It's up. It's curved. It's up. Right? EMA. Phrase that. Volume bars heavy here, but picking up here. If this volume bar spikes fast up past this one here, we're going to be in the 130s. Right? we're going to be way in the 130s. So I'm looking here again for 129. See what happens right here. You already know in the group, I said to you guys, it pops the EMA, look for a point. I am out of BB in my large account. I'm post that in a minute. Hold on a second. I'm kind of on my cell phone trying to watch both at the same time. Blow through that. Blow through that. Where the buyers at? See the buyers over here, level 2? Indecisive. He at 143. He knows something going on, right? It's high today. So he want to buy it high today. A lot of these traders will buy stock at the high today. Nothing wrong with that. But this is not how I trade. Let's go. We need this green. We need down here to curve straight up. We need down here to be green. That's when you know it's bullish. But keep banging the EMA the same way it was this morning on the SNDL. It was just banging the EMA, it fell. It banged the EMA, it fell. Over and over again. MBRX, let's see. My large account, 116. Looking for a 125-ish mark. Or even maybe possible 130. This is why I don't buy cheap stocks. SNDL. However, my SNDL play is working out pretty well on my cell phone. That's a fake out right there. 5-minute candle was green, then it faked out. Now I wasn't gonna take no $10 and then run away with it. So I'm gonna hold off for a minute and see what it does right here. You look down here, you see 2 fake outs. Fake out, right? Where we at? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's look at WWR. It's gonna recover. Don't worry about that. Hexo recovering down here, maybe. Tesla took a crap at the market open. WWR. We put ears right there. And I'm going to put MBRX right here. Trust the process, right? You're doing the right research and you get everything down packed. Just trust the process. That's all you got to do. Trust the process and what you're doing is correct. You'll study. It should work out perfect for you, right? Look at the 15-minute chart right here. It's going to show you that green candle, it faked out, right? So even 15-minute chart, we in this channel right here. We right here to right here on a 15-minute chart, right? You look over here at ears, it's faded since market open, but so has MBRX. It has a high float. The 5-day, 5-minute chart is going to show you the same exact thing. It's in that channel, right? Where we at? WWR. I'm trying to buy in this right quick before I forget, which I did. And now it's running on me. Happens all the time. It's okay. Don't chase it. Wait for your point. Then you hop on it, right? My buy-in point is 715. If it pulls back there, I'm going to hop in right at 750. Let's see what happens right here. Matter of fact, 755 is my sell point. I'm already traded the BB already. I'm going to go in the group first. I forgot to give you guys the alert. So watch WWR here for a We're gonna say 7:15. I said, yeah, 7:15. We're gonna call it a wall because it's actually a wall. All right, where we at? My BB trade. Watch Hexo for red to green. Rephrase that. Watch Hexo for the next candle to create a new high. Come on, Joe. Try to look at my stock page. Try to look at my daggone small account. Too much going on. But make money in all accounts, not this one, right? All right, what we at here? I'm at HJLI trade. I got selling at 775. We almost there. My HBI. Sorry, HGLI. Look up top right. WWR. It's gonna make a move right here, hopefully. My sell point 755. I'll watch closely though before I get there to make sure I reach the point I need to reach. All right, my WWR trade, I'm out of it. Matter of fact, get rid of this SNDL trade first. I don't like that daggone stock. It sucks. Why? Because it's cheap. SNDL. I'll hop out of here right quick. HJLI. I'm gonna hop out of it right quick. And my WWR, I want 750, 755. So I'm gonna hold off for that for a minute and see what happens right here. It's a very large volume bar, right? Green buy bar. Very large on a 5-minute or 15-minute chart. It's even better. I looked at the wrong chart. Perfect. 5-minute chart says we bullish, right? New candle, made a new high, right? Green, with volume decreasing. It's okay. Ears, not doing anything right now. 730, 735. Let me get my sell point adjusted on WWR. My new sell point now on WWR is 740. Hold on a second. No, it ain't. 755 still. I'm going to change it if I see this volume bar. If it changes color to a dark green or this pulls back any at all, I'm going to hop out of it. My sell point now is 755 though. So let me go ahead and just replace that and make sure and watch it closely for my point, 755. Meanwhile, right here, we still acting crazy, right? We need reversal. That's a green buy bar. We need that. Need more of those. Look up top here. You see, it's popping 740, right? And we still got a large green buy bar right here, right? And we still have light green here, right? It's curving upwards. It's straight curving straight up. 743 is the high so far. My sell point, 755. Let's see what happens right here. 43, 44. Let's go. If I see it failing, I'm going to hop out of it. This buy bar here is larger than a previous buy bar, right? So we know it's more bullish here than it was the previous candle. My sell point again is 755. We see what happens right here. I'm going to draw a line even so you guys see my sell point. Meanwhile, back at the ranch, MBRX is doing crap yet again. That's why I don't buy cheap stocks, right? And I bought it anyway because I saw the red to green move occurring. But it might cost me. We'll see what happens. I'm going to hop out right here of this WWR. I'm going to hop out of it. Did it hop out or what? What did it do? Yeah, I'm out of it. So I'm going to post in the group my BB trade. my HJLI, my SNDL, which I hated, and my WWR, which failed me at 746. My sell point was 755. Didn't meet it at the time. Doesn't mean it won't reverse path again and go back up there. Doesn't mean that. It may move right here. However, this is a very small sell candle. This is curving down the RSI. The MACD is also starting to go parallel, right? Double top. Watch double tops, right? All right. I'm still holding MBRX, of course, at a 117 buy-in point on MBRX. I don't like what it's doing right now. I'm going to hold it for a minute longer. Meanwhile, SNDL just made another move. Let me watch this for a minute. Where we at? Let's watch it. Let's watch SNDL. I'm not trading ears, so let me go ahead and just tap in SNDL right here. Ears look terrible. One of my pets too, but look terrible. Might hit that $1 on SNDL. Might get lucky. Let's see, 20,000. Let's look for that $1 mark over here on SNDL. See what happens. All right, called over here. Double top. See that? It's still messing around up there. SNDL. It breaks this new candle, make a new high. Next stop is $1. MBRX doing crap right now. So I'm only in right now. Let's see. Nothing. Oh, nope. Not in anything right now. I'm a large account. Only a small account. I haven't found anything yet worth buying again. So I'm gonna hold off for a minute on my large account. Let me put this right here in the group so you guys see what I'm looking at right here and what I traded so far this morning. So now you should see in the group my 3 posts from what I bought this morning. Got 1. We got 2. And my 3rd one at. There we go. 3rd one right there. Get 3rd one out. And here comes the 3rd one in a couple seconds. So look at this stock over here, top right. I drew my double top, right? With higher stocks, high price stocks like 7, 8, 10 bucks, a 50-cent pullback will destroy your account. So when it pulls back and I see it's fading, I hop out of it because I know for a fact it can go down $1 on one candle. Then I'm screwed for real. I might hop in it again second time for my original sell point of 755. Matter of fact, I think I am because it made 7. That line I drew is now support. So I might hop in again if I can log in my account fast enough. Yeah. Hurry up before it take off right here. Let's see. I need to pull back a little bit before I buy it. Meanwhile, MBRX is failing me terribly. But I'm trust the process. Look at the EMA. It's up here going straight across, right? Now we know by now the stock must retrace the EMA, right? So I'm fully aware that it's failing, but also see that the fact is oversold, way oversold, way oversold. Look at my sell point I drew earlier, 755. Look at that crap. Hit 754, right? If I held a little longer, if you got out my point that I held. Trust the process, right? Don't overthink this. It's not that hard. Let me move this right quick to so if we look back here, we'll see that hold on. Alright. If you look back here, we'll see over the last 5 days, 15 minutes, this thing has been basically, it was a low actually of 549, 760 right now. Well, high today, 760. The news in this stock is, if I was a mixture of, that's 23rd, never mind. So now it's still rolling. If you look back here for 180 days, 4 hours, we can see that it was 18 bucks back here on October the 6th. Then all of a sudden, 1123, it filed an offering. How does that happen, right? 1123 is back here somewhere. We're at right here. Let me go in further and show you what I'm talking about. 1123 was right here. It filed an offering straight down. Today, it oversold, right? Way down here, oversold. And now it's retracing the way up. Stocks move in ways, right? You look at the 15 minute, you look at the 5 minute. What ear's doing right now? Hold on. I'm in that one. What ear's doing right now? Made that move, that bullish move. It popped the EMA. You see the point I'm making? Create alerts. That way you know something popped the point you had said. Because if I put a alert in there, I would have saw the fact that it was making that move past the point I wanted. I didn't like it at that moment, but I knew it's one of the highest movers of the day. So next stop now is high of day, which in this case is 170. So it could hold on volatility, which is what you wanted to do. My drawing is wrong. Sorry, y'all. 170 is the high today. It pops that, $2 ain't far behind. So we're gonna look at ears on my sell. Try to find a buy point. I'll tell you the point in a minute. In the group, I'll put in the group. Ears. Okay. Look at something right quick. All right. I might have waited too long to tell you guys to buy it, so it's already past the buy point. Look at my alert on ONTX. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Now that my alert pops, I'm telling you guys now that ONTX is also bullish. Because I set my alert earlier telling me that I want to look at a certain point. So let me go here to SNDL, ONTX. If you go back here, you'll see it popped my point, right? Now, I don't like trading cheap stocks like that. I say it over and over and over again. But sometimes you got to get in and get out because you only might get 3 or 4 cents. So you got to buy more shares, which sucks. Look for a little buy-in point right here, which is a port level at 38 cents on ONTX, bottom right. See that point? And we're going to see what we can do right here. ONTX. And we're going to look for a sell point of 42 cents. It tapped it high today. See that? It tapped it and pulled back. High of day. MBRX. See ears? Reversal. Right? Let me go backwards. Remember I told you earlier is it has to touch the EMA, right? It must retrace the EMA. So you see a little line there, you see it tapped it, well not quite. But you see burgundy, right? The green bars is picking up and it wants to curve up. It's oversold, remember? It's oversold. Look right here. Here's a bottom point. Hit the same point every time. You keep an eye on these bottom levels. Hit the same level every time. Then it moves up. Look at that. Ears. I'm out. 175. Man, I should have held it a little longer, but it's okay. Take profits. My sell order over here is 41 cents. I might move to 42, but I'm watching it. So keep an eye over here because the high is 40, right? So up here it's a 41. Here go 42, right? Actually, be higher than that. Look across the line here. We draw 42 over here and show you what it's doing at 42. See 42? Straight across. If I come back further, it's back here. Straight across. Resistance point. Keep an eye right here. I'm watching, but I'm not watching. So let me create an alert. I got my hands on everything. My money is sitting in it, but I'm watching everything. Let me go down to my buy point, 118. It was 117, but I'm putting it in 118. All right, look at my cell phone. See what's going on right here. Yep, I'm out of ears. Good to go on ears. EARS. And there. Hold on, y'all. I'm trying to put my posts on ears in the group. And here is my ears trade. All right. I'm gonna put in 2 alerts. I'm putting one right here. I'm gonna put in 102 at or below. So let's go up here, at or below 103 actually. Create that alert. So I have 2 alerts there, right? Both channels. Go in the group, hit the refresh button, see where we're talking about. I can still see my chart over here, so it's okay. My sell point is 42 on ONTX. Might move to 41, see what happens though. All right, we got going on. Played that one the other day and didn't like the way it rose. Got it yesterday. Which one is that one? Yeah, SNDL. Yeah, that's terrible. Going on right here. VWAP. We talking. What's up here? High 12 replies. Nope. Going on here. Okay. You still mess around right here. This 40, 41 area. You look up here. What do I see? Nothing. Let's look down here. SNDL, A792. Yep, BB has news. Hexo. Runner today. Looks something Mara. Been on that Mara kick for a while. ONTX dipping. Nope, it's at 40 cents right now. MBRX. I know it's 30 minutes ago, but look back here. At 9:40. Right now it's 10:01. So go back here. 9:35 was a red candle. However, it was back and forth. That's kind of was green. That's kind of was red, but it was also holding support. That's kind of was green. Ears still rolling. Was pulling back actually. I meant to say ONTX about to pop that EMA, which is mine over here. It's blue. Pops the EMA. Then we go next to 41, 42. I want 42 for my sell point. We're gonna see. Let's see what I got going here. Oh. I reply your comments. We talk. And we go. ONTX, I called it. It was bullish 7 minutes ago. Look back here 7 minutes ago. It was back here. Right? MBRX reversing. It did reverse. And it faked out. Remember, EMA is up here. It must touch the EMA again. Channel is 118 to 103. Right? Look at that. Almost there. So I'm going to put over here is ONTX. Right here. Looking for 42 cents. Resistance point. Review. If it breaks that, we golden. Meaning, it's going to have a run up. So, current price is 40.40. Rephrase that. 40.53 or 0.4057 or 40 cents in 0.5 seconds. How you want to put it? 40.5 cents, 40.6 cents. However you want to put it. That's what it is. But look though, it went to 42 almost and it pulled back. I drew a line earlier. Didn't see it till right now. See what I mean? We're in a sell trend right now. It's okay. Because 40 is the breaking point. Now, if the candle pulls back half the size of the candle, you're in danger. Look back here anywhere you want to check. If the green candle is green, it go back half the candle, you're in danger. If it's green, half the candle, you're in danger. If it's green, more than half, you're in danger. If it's green and it's come out red below it, get out of it. If it's green, next candle's red, hold it for a minute. It may pop, right? As long as it's in the same pattern. If it's green, but half the value, it drops every time. Green, half the value, it drops. It probably came down to the half here and it dumped from there. That's what happens almost all the time. Green goes out half the candle, it dumps. Green, half the candle, it dumps. Over and over again, right? Green, half the candle, it dumps. Remember that. What I do here is put in a sell order on my MBRX. I'm down 8 cents right now. Don't like it. But this green right here is the EMA. Remember that. The dotted line right here. Rephrase that. Green is SMA. I don't know why it's saying different there. Right click on it. You can click on anything you're looking at, it'll tell you what it is. VWAP. EMA is the green one. Green's EMA, VWAP is 116. See how this hit it and it failed? I'm gonna hop out of ONTX. I don't like cheap stocks anyway, so I'm gonna hop out of it for a little small gain. Make sure I'm up still before I only log in. God dang it! Come on, hurry up. Think Swim sucks sometimes, man. It just be daggone doing foolishness. Sometimes. Let me hold off on that for a minute. Break even right now on ONTX. Watch for a minute, because it's banging the EMA and the VWAP as well. So watch it for a minute. December 3rd. Oh man, come on. December 3rd. Now I'm down right now, of course, on my trade here. I'm not concerned. Look this morning though. You couldn't trade nothing but ears. I should have waited out for a couple of minutes for it to be a bullish move, a long green candle, like I was trying here, then hop in it. But you look right now, you see that it took about 10 minutes for every stock to move. 5-minute candle, 5, 10, 15, 20. 30 minutes later, it moved up. It's right here, 10 o'clock. What we got going on here? Let's see. I'm on my cell phone looking for some trades while I'm watching the screen. Now, with a small account, I only trade small shares because anyone can trade $1 million. You buy freaking 100,000 shares and move 5 cents. You rolling, right? But how much money you gonna make if you put only $400 into it or $300 into it? That's what decides how good a trader you are. Not putting 100 million shares on the stock and hoping and praying it's gonna get your point. That's how you lose money. All right, let's go down here to my trade I have right now in MBRX on my small account. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pop up the level 2. You can look what it's doing. A lot of buyers, right? Question is, if all those buyers sitting right there, why isn't it moving like it's supposed to? All right, I'm not in short stock no more. This one either, actually. So let me go see AAS and watch what it's doing right here. Just broke the EMA. If it pops this point here, be a good buy-in point. So I'm gonna tell the group right now at 13.26. We're gonna put it above that. It's looking at a good buy-in point. Looks like 13.26 would be. Hello. I'm gonna put sounds. Come on, type. All right. Because I may buy it myself, so I'm gonna do is put alert in for myself as well at 13.26. I'm gonna put it above that point, right? At or above. Let's see what it does right here. Level 2, still bumping down here. My point's still sitting there. If I walk away, I hear it buzz. Look at that point. It's about to hit it right now. Like, that's terrible. Let's go back. See a line right there? You got a small channel. When you have a small channel like that, usually it breaks out either to the upside or the downside. Either way it breaks out. In this case, it might break that downside, which is bad. I don't want that. but I'm pretty confident that the SMA and the EMA will be retraced. Problem is the EMA is pointing down. So in a second, EMA gonna be underneath the price of the stock. Then it's gonna make support out of the EMA and the SMA and then roll up to the upside. I only get right here. I'm gonna get right here to 132. I'm in 117 right now, but I can take away 5-10 cents and be done with it. But I want to get to 132 or higher. I'll be back. Uh-oh. Alert went off, didn't it? Let me add more stocks to the watch list. TMDI. CFII. PLG. PGRE. PGRE. UBX. CFII. Already there, I see. LPTX. MTG. SILV. CAAP. MOGO. KXIN. Solo. XNet. GTT. IDT. EVGN. CNET. GoGo. Been out here a couple times. BBIG. XAN. CLF. CKPT. If you notice right here, I'm not putting in any stock more than 4 symbols. Right? Because I don't trust any stock above 4 symbols. It's a spinoff or it's a junk company, more than likely. Or it's on a OCC, over-the-counter market. Either way, I don't want no parts of it. Look at this reversal right here on TTNP. Watch this. This morning, it was 470 pre-market, right? On a reverse split. So, this is why you don't buy junk stocks and hold them, because this happens. You're going to reverse split, a 1 to 30 reverse split. So, for every share you get, rephrase that. 30 shares, every 30 shares you got, it pulls back and gives you 1 stock back in return. So if you had 1,000 shares, you now have 30. And here's your problem right here. That's terrible. Ears broke the point. New candle, new high would be a buy-in right there. It pops that point. cap. Not in the group. Forgot to put it in there. I'm not gonna buy it though right now. Come on, man. Computer acting stupid there. Oh, look at that. I got to him too late. Straight bull candle right there. It might halt on volatility. Make a 1 minute chart. That's terrible. I sure didn't buy it. Much that pullback right there. That run from here to here was a 10% candle. Should have halted on volatility. I don't know why I didn't. %9 candle. Usually, what should happen is if any candle is more than 10% the value of that stock, it should halt on volatility. In that case, it didn't happen. Look for a buy-in point right quick. If I buy, let me see. Watch for a 450 pullback for a good buy-in point. Go right here to cap. You don't want to do that, do it. 460. One minute chart, find a buy-in point. It's curving downwards, not a buy-in point. It curves up, they go to green bar. Let's see. Still pulling back. I said 450, right? 52. See right here? This is the freaking point. I forgot I had that. Right here, the EMA. See what happens right here. I'm watching my stock still. It's at 103. I'm still watching it. Ears is rolling. Did I buy it again? I don't think I did. Did I buy ears again? I don't remember. I didn't. I didn't buy it twice. I bought it once. Okay. Now this kind of makes support right about here. We good. Let's see what happens. Next stop point is right about here. Then we got the VWAP. I want a 450 buy-in. I said it earlier, right? For run to 490. Let's see what happens right here. If it pops here though, I'm hopping in regardless. There we go. In at 470. For a sell point, 490. Let's see what happens right here. Want that? Let's go. Let's go. 490. Oh, look at the fake out right there. It's going to reverse though. Look over here. See that stretch though? That spread is way too long. You hate long spread stocks because this happens every time. It'll pull up real fast and go back real fast. I said earlier to you guys that if it comes back half the candle size, it usually fails. See what it's doing here? It's tapping at half the candle size. Taps it, it goes up. Tapping it, going up. See that? Current video is right now almost a daggone hour at 10:30 over here. I'm gonna end the video no matter what happened at 10:30. If I haven't sold this yet, you'll see a post later showing you how much I sold it for. See what happened there? Watch this move here. Watch this move. Give it 10 seconds. It should turn green in 10 seconds. Let's watch it. Watch the clock. 19 over here. And it should blow up past this point here. It turned green. You saw it turn green a couple of times, but it should pop up and pass this right here. The buyer's slowing down over here, right? Sellers all down the axis right here. $4.90, $5. So they're waiting to short it. High day, right? $5, 501. They're waiting to short it. It's curving backwards. Don't want that. Going up a little bit. You want that. 3 minutes left for this candle before this candle's over with. 5-minute chart, right? 5-minute candles. Over here, my trade I got, MBRX, has 36 million shares traded on a 30 million share float. So, sorry, 62 million share float. So trading at half the float size. Make that move right here. You're supposed to make a move. I'm out at 490 though. When it pops here, I'm hopping out of it. I'm in at 470. Sorry, 450. No, it ain't. Man, where we at? I keep forgetting. I'm at 470? Yeah, 470. Sorry. Ears rolling along though. Look at ears. Let's watch right here for this move, 470. After this move here, I'm going back to ears and show you ears right now. It has 1 minute, 30 seconds left in this candle. Should be a bullish candle. Should pop this point and roll up past $4 or $5. Should do that immediately. Where the buyer's at. Let's go. Let's go. Need to curve upwards. Curve. Moving slowly but surely. Watch this move. Watch this move too. We're at 480. I said 490, right? Let's see. Big buyer come in. It's going to 490. 82, 84, 85, 90. Hit 90. Hit again. Hit again. And 94. $5.03. And that guy over here who was shorting it, he's in it now and he's upside down because he bought it at 501. So I'm going to screenshot my cap trade. So in the group now you should see my cap trade. I'm still in MBRX. I don't like what it's doing. I might have to sell it and get out of it, be on my way. But I have a problem right now with doing that, knowing the history of it. Look at Iris is going nuts. My pet too. Traded one time. You traded more than once usually, but it happens. Let's see what else is on the list. Cap, Mari out of cap already. ARLO, doing nothing. CDAC, not trading many shares. Let's look at KXIN. Let's see down here, FSTX only have 118,000 shares being traded. Nope. AUT, $14 with a low float. So, take a look at AUT. Where we at right here? KSS, $36 stock. RPIN, I'm sorry, RENN. I don't see nothing worth trading right now, y'all. I'm not putting the group already. Ears, cap, Arlo, doing nothing. BB. Let me step here for a second. Wait, float too large. Arlo. Let's see. We have 3 minutes left before I end this video. I'm sorry I'm quiet. I'm trying to look at some stuff right now. Alt. ARLO. I'm in a group looking at posts right now, y'all. Pay me no attention. end the video, you guys.